inú ilé fẹ́ wò yìí báyìí sí yàrá téèyàn ń sùn fáwọn staff mi o aláti withdraw a match gbogbo àwọn staff pọ̀ sínú yàrá kan.
My Naija people don bring Ogbonge Bishop news story. My name na Nehi. Make a sharply yarn on some tori wey be say e just happen. The indigenous people of Biafra don come tell all the Igbos wey dey stay for inside Lagos say make dem stop to dey invest for inside Lagos, make dem come back to the eastern state to come invest, and dem yarn dis talk after wey some Yoruba tell the Igbos dem say make dem comot for inside their Lagos during the election for inside Lagos state. The Economic and Financial Crime Commission chairman wey im name be Abdulrasheed Bawa don come yarn on top one interview say dem go start to dey arrest some governors dem after wey dem go comot from office from May 29th, but im no really call the names of the governors dem wey be say dem go arrest. The former deputy senate president wey im name be Ike Ekweremadu with im wife wey be British Ekweremadu don dey risk jail of 10 years imprisonment after wey the UK court for inside London found dem guilty say because dem carry one underage boy comot wey dem wan comot im kidney to use am take do transplant for their daughter. Heavy rain don fall yesterday March 23rd to 2023 come carry matema wey dey for inside Abuja as car owners dem come find am difficult to drive around for inside Abuja. Femi Egboluwa and im wife wey be Fumi Egboluwa dem don kpai dem for inside their house for number 1 Adefolu Street, Allen Avenue around that Friday night as dem come torchlight the matter come see say na the driver and the house help na dey join body take kpai two of dem. Some Nasarawa state women don go naked come do inaugural protest because of the governorship election after wey Independent National Electoral Commission don come announce Governor Abdullahi Sule of APC say na him be the winner of the election, and na yesterday March 23rd na him the women dem come do this inaugural protest.
Yadda sun fita daga kudu daga arewa wani kasar da suka taka wani kasar ya haɗe su a jikin su ba.
Ali Mohammed Sani wey be tailor wey be go drink gota water come back for inside gota after winning the appeal say President Muhammadu Buhari win the 2019 election. He don come dub the All Progressive Congress party say because they frustrate am and President Muhammadu Buhari abandon am after wetin im don do for the party, and na yesterday Thursday March 23, 2023 na im come out come yarn dis talk. Gazette don yarn say the Chief Justice of Nigeria wey be Ariwola Olukayode say im pre ten d like say im no well wey make dem take push am for inside wheelchair take go London to go get secret meeting with the president-elect wey be Bola Ahmed Tinubu, but we the BishopTv we don dey continue dey torchlight the matter to know if na true. For on top this video wey be say one Lagos big boy don dey provoke after one last man officer go jump enter inside a Mercedes-Benz motor. Na so he come shout for the last man say make him jump down for a motor now, if not him go carry and dey go.
Leave my hand! Oya stop, calm down. Calm down ah! Oya stop. Calm down ah! You dey calm down, be no dey calm down. Close my door. Rubbish. For no come down at that start.
After wey the People Democratic Party National Working Committee come out come yarn say they don suspend the former Ekiti State Governor wey be Ayo Peter Fayose, but Peter Fayose don come out to come yarn say that suspension say na big joke and e no get any constitutional backing. One farmer don dey lament dey provoke say because customers dem no dey fit come buy egg again because of the scarcity of the naira note and the hardship wey be say dey for inside Nigeria. As he come carry video, come the video plenty egg dem wey be say dem store full inside their store room.
láti gbogbo àwọn staff pọ̀ sínú yàrá kan ẹ̀rí ta tó lè rí lo bíbà fi kó ẹyin sí ẹ̀rí ẹ̀yìn rẹ̀ rí tó kún lẹ́yọ̀ kódà gan-an tó kẹ́yìn sínú kitchen ẹ̀rí kitchen ẹ̀ wò ẹ̀rí ta tó kẹ́yìn.
Yes, na BishopNewso'clock. My name na Nehi. Make una enjoy your day.